What if the market has topped? What if alt season already happened? I'm going to give you a theory to think about because no other influencer on this app will tell you because they're either paid or delusional. All this starts in December 2022 when Sam Bankman-Fried got extradited back to America. That was unironically the market bottom, which happened to be on December 17th. After that, the market faced, obviously, hardships. But if you look at the graphs and the charts, you will see the bull market, or at least potentials of a bull market, started when the daily 100 EMA went above back in January 2023. Now, the official bull market did not begin till October 2023 when the Bitcoin went above its weekly Ichi cloud. Officially, we've been in a bull market since October 2023, like I've stated in my past videos. Now, when Bitcoin had its meteoric rise since about January, correct, since the ETFs, don't you think insiders and whales and people were buying Bitcoin at 15, 20, 30K and so forth, right? Because they were expecting Donald Trump to win. They were expecting the pro-crypto regulations and enforcements. Now with your where's alt season, we're supposed to get alt season. It can't be the end of the market till it's alt season, right? That's what everybody's saying. I see it in my comments. I see it from these dumbass influencers. But brother, you've had alt season. Solana went from 8 to 300, 250 on average. Most shitcoins did a 5 to 10x, some did a 40. But in reality, the real alt season was the meme coin season. Because this time around, the money flow was different. And the money flow was a little bit more scrutinized after FTX, of course. So what market makers and market controllers of this space, whether it's exchanges or companies like Wintermute or Cumberland, they decided with shadow accounts to push meme coins to make the most amount of money and put that shit back into Bitcoin. Influencers have been telling you alt season for over a year, and I've been saying, guys, Bitcoin dominance. I have videos from March 2023 talking about, guys, Bitcoin dominance. This is not what we think it is. I tried to tell you, this is not the same cycle. I've been yelling at the top of my mouth. I've been saying, don't short Bitcoin, short altcoins, because you can make a dipshit of money doing that. Why would you want to short the strongest asset in this fucking ecosystem? Then seemingly all the, let's just call them TikTok influencer coins, stuff like XRP, XLM, HBAR, all of that had a meteoric pump. You're trying to tell me that alt season hasn't happened? It did happen. It was meme coin season. I didn't want to participate in it because it's just scamming other people. It's the worst form of crypto. It is disgusting. It's literally taking insider information and using it against people. Trump made a token, guys. Every celebrity's made a token. Does this not remind you of NFTs? But bare naked, Ethereum has hit an all-time high. It can't be a market top. Maybe it can be, because Ethereum, as everybody knows, is a little bit of a piece of shit. The only reason it went to 4,800 last time was because there was NFTs. But this time it's on Solana with fucking scam tokens. Do you understand the game? Maybe I'm wrong and maybe I'm just crazy. And I would love there to be a real alt season. But it may not be for a little bit longer because Bitcoin dominance is at 60%. And until it's at least below 55, there's no chance at alt season, guys. Half of the market cap is in Bitcoin. More than half, 60%. That's huge. 64 we peaked at. How do you think altcoins had a complete crash the other day and you had people like Joshua Jake saying, oh yeah, bear trap, the bears were wrong. How are the bears wrong, dude? Are you an idiot? The coins are still down. It's not like it was a V-bottom reversal like you called it because you don't know how to read a chart if you fucking were given a chart reader. Think about it, guys. Be careful with these influencers. Use logic. Take profits, like I've been saying this entire bull run. Hey, you up a lot of money? Hey, maybe you won't be in the future. Why not just capture a little bit of that, 25% or whatever? Most of you won't listen, but you'll come back in a few months or in whatever time. Be like, damn, I wish I listened to Bare Naked. He was the only one spitting the truth, but you wanted to believe the lies of influencers who scam you. So, take care, brush your hair, scrub your scalp. I'm out.